Who be this person where they call me by this time of the morning? He hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. Omo, na my new boss they call me.
Good morning, sir. Igwe, I greet you. I hope so you sleep well.
Tom, why you never come work? I don't think shop already they wait for you, I never see you.
70 years old man.
Boss, I beg, no vex, sir. You see, that yesterday I been day busy, that's why I just quickly tidy up some things. But they come now, I do road already.
Tom, I beg, no waste time. You know, say this business was supposed to start early, so make I show you what you need to do. I beg, hurry up.
You think say they wise?
No problem, boss. You go see me now. You go see me now. In the next 10 minutes now, you go see me. Thank God, I don't quickly get another small work. This my new work now, and now sales boy I dey do. But you no matter. Money na money.
They have left you behind.
Make I quickly stop, boss. Who go carry me reach that side.
70 years old man. Oh, Mumu know too much.
This my new job. I must concentrate and make sure say I make am for this work. You know, say stuff I don't do for town now.
This man.
Make this boss they move fast too. I don't already late for my work. I beg driver, I dey stop for Shop Life Plaza.
Are you playing? May God not allow them make them kill you. This man.
Boss, Igwe himself, I greet you, sir.
You think say they wise?
Tom, now what for you? Person they try help you with work if they come late on your first day. You know good though, no be good sign be that.
Boss, I know, no vex, sir. It no go happen again. From now, I go to come early.
70 years old man.
No wahala, I don't hear you. As you be now you be in charge of this shop. As you can see, you dey sell electronics, generator, AC, and freezers. So I beg, as you dey now, just dey try to hustle for customer. You see all these people wey dey around you, they no be your friend o. If you slack, they go collect customer from your hand. So you must dey sharp. Yeah.
Boss, no worry. As I dey like this, no cockroach or ant fit steal anything for this place. We me I no go notice. Boss, everything dey safe. No worry.
I hear you, Tom. No problem. Make I quickly go attend to some other meeting. When I finish, I'll come check on you for evening. I beg, make sure say my money complete or you dey sell anything. All the prices dey for the box already, so just don't reduce any money for anybody.
No problem, boss. Don't worry. By the time when you come, if you don't even sell the whole shop finish.
No be juju be that.
Now what I dey like here be that I dey like me market dey go quick. You understand? The quicker market go, the faster I can bring in new store. So we dey make more money. And the more you sell, the more commission sef you go dey receive.
Boss, thank you, boss. As I did like this, I really need all the commission I fit get. But see, within my head, it plenty. My landlord said he breathe on top my neck now. You know, saying rent don't reach.
You think say they wise?
No wahala. Tom, from here, I can guarantee you, say if you dey do well me, I go personally dey take good care of you. Oh yeah, make I dey go. When I come back, I'll go check on you later.
The earlier we realize this.
Okay, boss. Safe journey, boss. I dey wait for you. I dey here. Thank God, I don't finally get another work. Now I must make sure say na me be number one for this spot. Must hustle for customer anyhow. Nothing dey happen.
You think say they wise? Mumu man.
Oga, how you dey now? Oga, what you want buy na TV you need? You need TV? Sister, what's up? What did they find? Na fridge. We get fridge for you. You don't be like 4 hours now. I never even sell one market. Which kind of thing be all these ones? Why customer will they come my side now? Plus I need to dey block them. Now what I go do? I go dey block them. Be that.
Good afternoon, Oga. Abeg, I go like buy electronics. So you get generator, deep freezers, and flat screen TVs.
Welcome, fine girl. Yes, we get everything where you need for here. For this shop, we get everything. Any amount where you want, we'll give you.
That's good, Oga. Because as I tell like this, I go need at least 20 generator, 20 flat screen TVs and at least 5 deep freezer with 5 AC.
Are you playing?
Oh, my dear, that one a small thing. No worry. I fit load everything for you. Now, if you ready, pay immediately.
No problem, Oga. I fit transfer the money to you right now. Once you don't move everything inside my truck.
This man! You think say they wise? You are a mumu man!
Young lady, I don't load everything inside your truck. You know wetin go happen? Make I give you my personal account number and also my phone number. So after this transaction, maybe we fit still see later now. You know as they go now, as a Lagos guy.
See this man, oh. E be like say they find big girl for Lagos where you go marry abi.
Are you playing?
Yes, so my dear, as a big boy in Lagos, I suppose marry big girl like you. See as you fine. And a better girl like you now they look for my
May
life.
God not allow them
Oga, no
make them kill you.
problem. Boku first finish the business what we dey do. Oya, send me your account number now.
Fine girl, I don't send them. You go see them now.
No wahala, Oga. I go transfer the money now to you.
Oh, mumu know too much.
Oya, check your phone now. You go see the alert.
Correct girl. Yes, my dear, I don't see the money. Thank you very much. Don't worry, later this evening I will boss you so we could try hook up. Ah, God, see a lot. 1.5 million naira. Sharp, like that. I don't quickly make money for my boss. My commission for this one go mad, gone. You see as God they bless me, they hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. When I dey tell people say I get oil for my head, nobody they believe me. Sharp, I don't clear Oga shop, I don't sell everything finish.
Tom, wetin happen to all the old goods wey dey this shop now?
Oga, welcome back. I don't tell you before, so you don't get anything to worry about. My name na Mr. Tom. As I did this your shop today, for the first day I sell everything finish.
Not be juju be that.
Now wow, Mr. Tom, you be real businessman be that too. I happy as to sell everything. Well, anyhow, quickly transfer the money to me so make I use am go arrange new goods come for tomorrow morning.
No problem, Oga. Make I go my bank app for my phone. Do the transfer for you now. E no go take long.
This man!
Jay, wetin be this way my eyes dey see so?
Photo.
Nothing dey inside this my account. Nothing dey inside my account balance.
They have left
Hey,
you.
na fake alert this girl do for me, oh.
Tom, wetin dey happen? Which one be all this one wey dey break sweat like this now? Hurry up and transfer this money for me.
Not allow them make them kill you.
Oga, I don't know wetin happen. That transfer wey that girl do, e no enter.
Are you playing?
Okay, I don't see as they go. So you and your girlfriend una plan to defraud me, carry all my property, run abi? No wahala. I know as I dey take handle people like una. Okay, abeg, help me call those 2 police people waiting for junction there, make they quickly come.
Oh, mumu know too much.
Odogu himself, wetin dey happen, chairman? Officer, I don't know the kind devil wey enter my head wey make me go employ this guy. Odogu, how you take know this guy? Name na Mr. Tom. The guy na one of our number 1 customer.
This man!
See this guy, I say make I help am, give am work so he go fit help in life. Na so him and him girlfriend come do fake alert for my shop, come carry all my goods go. Can you imagine?
Oga, that girl no be my girlfriend. I don't know her before. She just come from nowhere.
No wahala, Mr. Tom, we will reach station. You will explain better. You know as they go now.
Hi, God, this kind wahala be all this one now. Which kind wahala can't be all this ones?
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.